Hello, this is Adam from Datateer, and today we're going to look at employee sales effectiveness. This can be a very important report anytime you need to compare performance by employee across stores or products. Perhaps you want to incentivize employees to upsell or cross-sell more and you want to see how they're doing. Or maybe you need to be promoting certain products. And sometimes you need to identify employees who are underperforming or those who are overperforming and should be teaching other employees how to be more effective. We're looking at sample data here. I'll put in a date range from January 1st to October 31st. And the metrics we can review, there are a variety of metrics in here. Hours worked isn't all that interesting, but there are several here that are pretty basic. Revenue earned, quantity sold, how many transactions each employee completed. You can even see a pattern here between maybe and George Michael. There's quite a difference there. Someone commented that perhaps this isn't as visually useful the way it is, but you can zoom in and make the differences a little more stark if you wanted to do that. More interesting are the ratios, quantity per transaction. So of all of these employees, we have Anyang, who is selling 2.45 units on average for every transaction. Michael is selling 2.53. Maybe that's not a big difference, but if everyone was performing as well as Michael, it might be. And given that this is random sample data, some of these are going to be close together, but your data will probably show much more interesting patterns. We can show revenue per transaction, which is similar, but can also show if the employees are upselling effectively. So Michael has $120.56 compared to George Michael, who is $127.26. Revenue per transaction is that metric. And transactions per hour could show if somebody's just working a busier time than others, but it also may show if they're working the floor effectively and drawing customers in and converting walk-ins into sales. You can zoom into a particular store if you wanted to see just that store, and you could do similarly by product. With this report, you can answer many questions about employee sales effectiveness, along with hundreds of other questions by using Datateer to gather all your business data and analyze it for you. So stop guessing and get answers at datateer.com.